Hello. Hello. Good evening. Welcome to a stream that this weekend, while doing one of my Italian streams, um, I had not a request. I was showing a game done in BASIC, but the guy asked me, "Okay, can you show me how? Can you show how we can modify this game to, slow it down and add some other stuff?" So I said, "Okay, I will do this since you know Ozzy is not available today." So I took the game and started looking at it. Um, it's not the end of the world, the game, but it's cute. Let's say for a basic game, it's cute. So I decided to do this stream basically. And for those that, I don't know, want to learn basic or want to, because this is not a beginner's course or something like that, I'm just going to go through a listing, basic listing, and try to figure out where things are and basically modify the game to our needs. Let's say that. Or at least this is the intention. I'm sure there are people that are interested in basic. I have to say I'm not the best person when it comes to basic. Not because I don't know it, but because I always prefer assembly. Um, However, today I said I'll do basic. Let's say that. Hopefully, there will be more people that I don't know, maybe get interested. I mean, I don't know. I do not know. It's an off stream, and we see how it goes. Um. Anyway, so let me show you the game. But I need to do something first. I need to switch on the real hardware. So I had a request to go through a game which is done in BASIC and explain how to modify it, basically. That is what this stream is about. And I'm going to trying to go through it and see how we will manage. But first, I need to do some stuff on the hardware because I forgot to set it up. So give me a few minutes. The game is quite not simple, but quite challenging. And I'm going to try to play it while using OBS instead of. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's the concept that you need to understand. So basically, you need to collect what they are called like bags, which are just which is just a symbol of a ball, let's say that, and avoid the serpents. Okay, so and you have to also a ladder to use. Okay, so I'm just going to do the simplest so that you see, because if I do the maximum, it will be too much. So you have this player at the bottom of the screen, which you can see me moving. And you have the green ones up here is the serpent, okay? So the aim is to get the serpent far away from the thingy. Okay, so you go up and they are quite fast. And then do another ladder here. And I'm going to do another ladder here because I know myself. Don't laugh, people, don't laugh. And I'm going to go up, take the thing, and go down. Oops. There you go. And I died, basically. Anyway, this is the game, okay? So basically, you need to go through all these levels and collect the pink balls. Now, the issue, I can tell you from now, there's an issue with this game. Either this game was never finished, or they knew it was so difficult that you cannot reach the top. So basically, if you manage to clear them up all, it doesn't tell you your win, or it doesn't. It's just you just stay on top, and nothing happens. So that's another issue that it has. But the first thing that we need to do is to slow the speed of the serpent. No. Anyway, which we will try to do. But hey, this game is on a floppy disk. Okay, I do not have the file in ASCII. Okay, I do not have, so I cannot load it in an ASCII editor and edit it or things like that. So I have looked how to convert from a real listing on the Commodore 64 being on a floppy disk to today's world text editors. And actually the solution is quite simple. There are lots of ways, by the way. This is I don't want to say the simplest because it's not, and you'll notice why. But I am doing it intentionally also using this method. But there are other ways of doing it. So let me switch to my screen. So on the left side, I have CBM Proc Studio, okay? And on the right side, I have Dear Master, okay? And I mounted the floppy where I have the game. Now these games were written in BASIC and they were on tape. I converted them to disk. So because I'm doing this series basically. But the guy asked me about this game in particular. Anyway, so let's find the game, which is this one. Okay, and this is the listing of it. Okay, that's all what the game is. Now, it has lots of commands on one line, okay? So, although the listing... Hello, Sushi! Although the game might look small, it's if you had to... I think, if you had to, you know, start entering the command, each line, each command on a line, then it will be quite long, I think. But anyway, I do not know, I'm just assuming. We need, this is on the floppy and we need to convert it into a text edit, into normal text. So, and I'm going to use CBM Proc Studio for a reason that makes my life easier with a certain thing. So let's create, so I already created a project, but I'm going to create a basic program. So add new item, basic file, and we're going to call it BIC EDC 0604. And we have our, let's say, editor. Now I'm going to copy it. And it doesn't give you copy, so I'm going to use the normal Control C. I thought it give you, but it doesn't. And Control V. Okay, and we have our listing on CBM Proc Studio. Now the game we can do with a smaller screen now. Okay, so like that. Now there's still one problem. You will notice that the Commodore 64 has these special characters now, as you see on the screen. Okay, I'm showing them with the mouse pointer, but when you copy them, they do not get transferred. Okay, so what we're going to do is enter these. Okay, and CBM Proc Studio has got this tool, screen code builder. Okay, and we're going to use this tool to enter these characters. So line 40, okay, we can already see that there is the... Hello, Dockster. Welcome to the stream. If you feel like doing some basic Commodore 64 basic, then you are on the right channel, my friend. Anyway, I had a request to go through a game that was written in BASIC and show how one can modify it. So this is what I'm going to do. Anyway, if there's anyone else in the chat that wants to say hello, you're more than welcome. I do not bite, okay? So the first ones that we see here, you can see them up here, line 40. There is the hard, the arrow, Q, and Q. So let's change those. So the hard is here. Then we have the arrow, which is blue. Then we have Q and Q, which is down. So two downs. Basically, you copy this from here and you enter it here. Because instead of that garbage that there is. Okay? Then line 50 has got the, so we clear it. Line 50 has got the arrow, so blue, and cursor down. Okay, that's those, that is the meaning of them. And we do the same thing. There you go. Then, what else? We have these characters. Okay, so then we have line 3800. So, which is this one. Let's make it up. So we have the S, which is for home. Oh, come on, clear first. Home. And then we have a number of Qs, which, does it tell me how many there are? No, we need to count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. So 23 in total. So what we do is we have Q, so cursor down, times 23, no? So what we do is we can do times 23. And it should be, okay, I'm not sure you need this. I think this space is not needed, but it should be fine. And we copy it and we paste it here instead of all these Qs. Then we have some more down here. So line 4000, yeah. And 4000 we have the clear screen. Oh, always clear first. Clear screen. Cursor down. And that symbol is a black. Okay. So, and we put those three there instead of those. Okay. Then in line 4100, we have the, again, some more. Let's put it here because every time is vanishing. So, clear the blue and cursor down. And we do that. Then we have that symbol. Now that symbol, which is here. Oh, well, we forgot one. This one. Ah, that one is, hold on, that has got reverse off, I think. Yes, it has reverse and reverse on and reverse off. Okay, so we need to clear here we need to copy this instead of this R. And we have reverse off, clear, reverse off, instead of this one. Okay, so line 4100, we have this symbol, the ball that we have in the game. So that let's see if we can I think it's from here, and with the Commodore key, with the shift key, maybe. Yes, it's there. It's this one. So clear, and I want to say that. Oh, okay, it's capital Q. Okay, so it's okay. So it should be fine. Okay. So next line, we have the @ sign, which is fine, and then we have these. We have Q's. So what we need to do is Q down. Without the, sorry, cursor down. I'm saying that I'm saying Q, and all these needs to be cursor down. So this one has got cursor down, but something else. So no. So cursor down and black. Okay, and black. But it needs to be cursor down and black, not the opposite way around. See? And we change this. And then we have cursor down and blue. So clear, cursor down and blue. Anyway, and we continue like this. We have 3 cursor downs now, which is in line 4400. So you see it did down times 3, so you can use that. And black. So I'm going to use that one instead of these. So given that I did them all, let's see. Given that I did them all, we should have the game as we got it. I know this S. No, that S. So that's home, I believe. So again, get it. Oh, not screen calculator. Tools, screen code builder. See, S is home. And we change that S. Okay. Let's see what else we had. Let's see that we did them all. If anyone sees one that I haven't changed, please. There it is, another S. So that is line 1200. 1200. Okay, what else? Is there any more for such a simple game? Yeah, 960. 960. There you go. So line 60 has got clear. And I think we did them all. 50. I did it. 40. I did it. Yeah, I think we did them. I'm not seeing any more. So it's time to test the game, no? F5, and let's see if in the emulator it will run. So let's see. 1 and 1, and let's see. So far it's working. Again, doing this, and hopefully I do it right. Now, I need to tell it to come to this side. So far, it's working fine. Okay. Yeah. Guys, if the font is not big enough when I'm using CBM Proc Studio, please tell me, okay? Because anyway, it looks like it's working because Sakki raccolte how much you collected is 2, and if you want to play another game is there also. So if we say no, we break to basic. If we say that, if we do run down here, not up there, it will run. Okay, so now we need to figure out how to slow those damn serpents. Is this big enough? So guys, I'm going to make the font a bit bigger because I don't think you are seeing it. Let me check. Yeah, I think you need glasses, guys, or you're very good. So definitely I need to make it a bit bigger, the font. So let's make it 22. Change. Yeah, 22. Let's see. I think like this you see it now. So we need to figure out where the serpent is moving and then create a delay for the serpent. So Okay, so here there's the initialization. The screen 4000 is where, so 4000 is our intro screen, so definitely not there. Here is asking, this part is the screen where he asks for the difficulty level, etc. This I'll come to that later. Let's say that this I think is the building of the screen, this part. So first he's doing the sides, then the levels, because he's doing 1 to 5, so it must be this part. And then he creates the balls randomly on the platform, because 38 random number, definitely. This part is the input of the player, I mean the keys of the player. So, okay, this one, these two are moving the player left and right. Now here is the challenge, no? This part. Oh, hold on. S, if S is 32, let me check. Yeah, that means a space. So, because he's using the screen, I'm noticing, to do his stuff. So, where was I? Yeah. So, C, I'm going to use a bit this one. So, C up here has been defined as 1024. So, 1024 is the start of the screen. Now, V is, where is V? Up here. U, Y, U, Y, J, V. Okay, 820. So, this 820 here, this is an offset for me from the start of the screen where the player sits. And actually has two 820, so I'm assuming one is the current position and one is the previous position. That's why he has two. So I'm talking about these two guys here. So this part, okay, for me is the poking. So he checks to the screen, okay, is there a space? Yes. If there's a space, then we can move the player, okay? So he moves the player, erases what was there, and moves the player. That's what he's doing there for me. And so, with the same logic, when he moves the serpent, he should have something similar to this code, okay? Of course, the variables will be different, but the poking should be the same thing. Checking for S, which is if it's a space, if so, he can move it. So I'm going to look for that type of code. By the way, here I'm noticing something. He's playing music here. So these we can also skip from our code. Definitely it's not for us. And this part is when the game ends. So all this we're not interested in. So what we are interested in is only these parts, okay? And we already know that this is for the player, the first part. So what remains is this, actually. So where he's doing lots of pokes to erase, print the serpent. Where is he doing that? This, I believe. Is very similar to what we have up here. Instead of V, he has H. So C is the screen memory. CO, according to here, CO is 55296. That is color RAM. So he's poking a space here. Then he sets it to 1 white. Then he pokes the serpent, which is J. J is what number? 0. So it's an @ So yeah, that's screen code 0. So that's the @ and 5, the color, which is green. So definitely this is where he's moving the the serpent. Okay, so now we need to delay it. And how to add code there. I mean, this stream might be short. Hey guys, I'm just going to do it because it was requested. Because I'm already, I think, more advanced than what I was thinking where I will be. So how he comes to 2080, how he comes to it. So somewhere he's going to 2000 because there's a go to here, so definitely it's not here. So somewhere he's doing a go to 2000. Go to 2000, there it is, and this is for moving the player. So moving the player is all this, because then moving the serpent is all this, because then it does go to 500, and 500 is again check for player key presses. So I think it's quite easy, because here he's doing a check if you are at the top or bottom of the platform, because the platform, let me check, because maybe I am, let me check this, because I might be running. So let's see if F means the number of levels. 1 1. So let me see how many times he draws it. So the player is here, so that is 0. Then have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if it's 0 or 6, there's nothing to move. Okay, if the player is on platform level 0 or platform level 6, there's nothing to move. So basically that's why he jumps to, let me see, what was it, 2000. That's why he jumps to 500. So I know what I'm going to do. D is equal to D minus 1. If D equals 0, then D equals 10. go to 500. Ciao, Jarchill. Some basic today for the Commodore 64. And I'm going to define D as 10, no? D equals 10. Now I might be slowing it too much, okay, with this value. I mean, I don't know. If it's 10, if it was using the vertical blank, it means 50 frames per second. Sorry, 5 frames per second. But definitely basic uses a lot a lot more, so it's a lot less. So yeah. And let's see, where was I? 2000, no? Did I reason this properly? Yeah. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see if we manage to slow the serpent. And if I get any errors. Oh, there you go. I have an error somewhere. Hold on. Hold on. Do I have an error? Yes or no? No. So, start again. Ah, okay. So, 1, 1. So, let's see how fast the serpent is. It's still fast. So, is my code correct? It's still fast. Hold on. Let's name it because I'm not sure. Let's name it SD because he's using lots of lots of variables, and that's this 32 there. No. Let's because I'm not sure he's using D somewhere. I didn't check, so let's do that. Well, that is the way it does it. Now it's because he's looping and drawing it again each time. But out of scope. That has nothing to do. This is delaying the serpent. Let's say that. So that's the main aim. So SD equals SD minus 1 if SD equals 0, then SD equals 10. Hold on. No. Hold on. If here is the mistake. That's the mistake. SD equals 10. Let's see. No syntax error. No syntax error. So 1. You know, I'm having fun with basic for a change. Hello, Pom Pom. Welcome to the stream. So, let's see how fast this damn guy is. Oh! There you go. We slowed him down. I can play the game. I can play the game. I can even tease him. I can even tease him. Look, I can tease him. I go up to this. Go up to this. And I can go down and he plots it closer to me. Thank you. Go up. Go up. Now, to take that one is going to be difficult. Uh-oh, we have an issue. Uh-oh, we have an issue. This is the thing. You need to use your head to have them all. P101 mode, yes. So, here is the problem of this game. So, you cannot create the ladder going down. So, it always goes from bottom to top. So, you always have to go down through the same ladder, basically. Oops. And now I'm screwed. Okay, so I could not create a ladder down. So you need to think about it. So let's play. Again. So you need to make them move to one side, to be honest. That's the real thing. And now I'm still screwed because they are too close to me. Or maybe not. Okay. You cannot put the ladder where there is the ball, okay? Just to make you aware. So let's actually make this guy come a bit to this side. And let's make this guy come a bit to this side. He should, when he goes on top of it, he should recreate it, yeah. So now, have them all where I wanted them. Now I am fast. So this is the thing. I've done the game and it doesn't tell you, okay, I don't know, you won or something like that. So you stay there wandering around doing basically nothing. One thing, did I have this game should have sound because I think I muted the sound. Yeah. So yeah, don't invent, don't make things difficult. Don't invent. I just wanted to show how I how one goes and find things in BASIC, basically. So now we need at least the winning part. Now we need to do something about winning. So what I'm going to do, okay, basically is very simple. I'm going to take this, put it down here. We do it 5,000, why not? We change this to, okay, let's do it in Italian, in English. you win another game. Yes, no. And let's change this to Y. Yeah. And here you lose another game. So we have the routine for when you lose. Now, how do you know? How do we know how many we have to collect? So I believe that is when you enter it, no? So hold on. Where did I see that we where did I say is this part? So you input how many you need to collect. So the variable name is what there? The first one, not here. Yeah. The variable name is PA. Okay. So PA times 6. So here I'm going to do another variable. What shall we call it? SA. I hope it doesn't use this SA. No. Equals SA. No. Is equal to PA, right? Times 6. Because we have 6 levels. Let's see if I'm reasoning correct. That was PA. Yeah. So now we need to figure out when you collect 1. He must be doing something plus 1, no? Because it's here. Because here it says how many you collected. So I'm not going to write balls collected. Definitely not. Let's say what shall I say? I will check that 590. But thanks. What shall I say in English here? Collected. I'm just going to say collected, just like that. Now, so on this line, I believe, is where he checks. It must be. Is where he checks how much he collected. So okay, if Z Yeah, yeah. If z equals to, what was the variable that I use? SA. So, what does 3000 do? Was that, I didn't check. 3000. Ah, plays music. Okay. I mean, I haven't looked at the code. I'm just seeing this number. So, of course, he's going to play music because he's using SI everywhere. That's how I'm I'm deciding he's going to play music. So where was the thing of the sex? Yeah, yeah. Collected. So I believe it's down here, no? I could do it like this. If Z equals SA, then 5000. No? No. This one. This goes straight to O. Straight to O is what? There. Ah, okay. This one needs to go to 5820. Yeah. I believe we have done it. Or let's say, I believe I achieved what I wanted to achieve on this. Is that right? Z. Yeah. Anyway, let's try it. Each level have 6 PA depending how. Yeah, okay, let's do that. F5. Hello, NS Kim. So, and it didn't run. But I think this is something to do with Vice. I notice Vice, sometimes I tell it to start and it doesn't start. Unless I have an error. But it's not showing me any errors. No. So, Vice, start. Run. Ah, now it showed an error. 1210. 1210. 1210. If z equals SA, then 5000. Ah, not 5000, 5800. Stupid me. But before it was not showing me the error, eh? So I do not know. Anyway, maybe it's my fault. Whatever. There you go. Vice is running now. Let's do one thing so that I see. Okay. So let's see. 1, 1. So let's cheat a bit. Tin, 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 tin. I'm fast. I'm fast. So, let's see. If he takes it, it should come. You see, it comes near me. So let's see if the you win will work. Collected 5. So hold on. But there are 6 levels. So how come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like one didn't. Yeah, it's like one didn't. I didn't notice how many were there. Didn't work. Let's put it this way. So OSK said, where was it? Put an on end on what? Why? 1200. It it I do not need to do. No, I do not want to do an end, because if it's not equal to, I need it to go to 720. I need it to go up here. If it's not equal to how many we collected, so that needs to stay. Or you mean 1, 2? Where was it? Why put an end here? I didn't get it. I mean, 1200 has got this line. 1210. Put 1210 with an end. No. I needed to go to 5800, which will do this part. And if you notice, the end is here. One two one zero is always being executed in a loop. 1210. No, I'm not following. 1210 is part of this loop. No? Yeah, it's part of this loop. Ah, I see what you mean. Ah, yes, but okay. You mean put this here, no? Okay, I see what you mean, but I think it's okay. You can put it. What OSK is saying, we can put it here. But like this is more readable, to be honest. But yes, remember this is code that we are adding. So okay, sorry, I was not understanding what you were saying. So yeah. What's it? I believe he got it. So, anyway, so I'm not happy that this is like one was missing. So let's run it again. Something is off. I want to see what happened. Um, so 1 1. So let's count them before uh, we start the game. No, we start play 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 like this to collect. And now every time. Ah, that's why. Oh, because this bug. Let's see what happens here if I stay like this. Yeah, okay. Thank God I made this, but he's going to get me now. Because as soon as I go down, boom. See, he got me. You lose. Another game? Yes. Yes. And it's not working. Yes. We changed the keys, no? Or not? Ah. No, we just changed the thing. Okay, okay. So that is another thing to sort out, guys. Because we changed it to English here. So... Where was it? Yeah. No. So... Let's run it again. One. So... It always... Do you notice that when it starts, it's always the same? So, now it should be 6. Okay, you win. So, as you said, OSK, the thing came where the player was. So that's why. So now we play Y again. Okay, it starts again. And okay, now let's do 12. No per level. And still 1. So now there is 12 to collect for each level. No, no. Okay. Crap. That is difficult now. That is very difficult because he's going to move as soon as I go down. No! And finished! So, yeah, that is that bug in the game. Yeah, yeah. But it's a nice little game, I have to say. Even though it's in basic, it's good. You win. There you go. Yeah, it does a check. When it starts creating them, it does a check, I noticed. But while it is moving, I think, in the game, I don't think it does all the checks as it should. Anyway, it's a nice little game. For a basic game, it's really, really nice. So, yeah, I think this is all I wanted to do, to be honest. We will return to assembly eventually um, later on this week. Guys, thank you very much. I hope you liked my simple, small little stream about basic. um, but yeah, it was a quick one. But anyway, guys, thank you very much. And for those that follow me, Thursday I am on Back to the Bit. Friday I am on Gamers House Malta. Saturday, Sunday I'm supposed to be on my channel. But yeah, we'll see. See you guys. Bye bye.